There's no need for you to go and be buying a microphone at expensive price. Just use your earpiece and you're good to go. So this is how my own is. So I'm going to teach you how to use this thing as a microphone. So you don't need to, if you have something like this or the one that is you know, it has this small you put it in your ears, just the normal earpiece. So it's all the same. So I'm going to show you how to use it as your mic, just like I'm using it. Yeah, hello guys. Hope you all are doing good. It's another awesome video, and I'm gonna show you how to use your earpiece or your earphones as a microphone. So if this is your first time appearing on this channel, please do well and subscribe to be part of the awesome family. Like the video and share. So at the end of the day, there's no need for you to go and be buying a microphone at expensive price. Just use your earpiece and you're good to go. Very cheap, less in price, and affordable. Can be simple. So watch till the end as I show you how you are going to do it. So it just is simple. Just plug and I'm going to show you the voice of. I'm going to show you the two. I'm going to show you plugging in distant, how it sounds like you are hearing me, and I'm going to unplug it, and you see the difference. You get me? So this is the normal sound as I plug in this earpiece. But so I'm going to take it off and you listen to the inbuilt camera audio, how the difference is. So I'm going to unplug it. So you can see I've just unplugged it. And this is the normal inbuilt camera audio. This is how it sounds. This is how the normal inbuilt audio sound. And I'm going to put it this one back. So we're going to put it back. Yeah. And you can see how this one to sound, and I think this is quite good. So this is how I do it. You just open your phone, you go to the camera, you plug in your earpiece, you are good to go. You are just speaking it. That's very simple. But to get the best of results, let me take you through my phone screen. You're going to download an app called Open Camera. That is if you are using Android. You are going to download an app called Open Camera. I think on iOS 2, iPhones 2, you can get it. So you download Open Camera, or there's another one in the iPhone. You can use free cut camera. Free cut camera. Yeah, that's the name. If I'm right, free cut camera. You can use it. So you plug it and you go to settings. So I'm going to take you through all this process. So you're going to, when you open the open camera, you go to settings, you go to video settings, you select video settings. When you select video settings, you go to audio settings. And you can see a lot of options. You select external microphone. With that, it's very perfect as you are listening. You get me right? But I'm going to take you through practical on my phone, so keep watching. Welcome to my screen. If this is your first time of downloading it, you just go to Play Store. Play Store. This is Play Store. You go to Play Store. Oh, I've already searched on it. So this is how your Play Store surface look. You go to search, you search it, open camera, pin camera. You see it, you search on it, so it will come. This is how, because I've already have it, that's why they say install. You can see it, so I don't need to install it again. But if it's your own, it will be like install it. But mine, because I have to open it. So you come to Play Store, you install it. So after you install it, you then go to, you look for it, open camera. Yeah, this is it. You click on your open camera. That is if it is your first time. You go to settings. You scroll, you see video settings. You click on it. When you click on it, this is options that will come, but our interest is audio source. So you click on audio source. You can see that you have camcorder. If you are connecting to camcorder, external microphone if present, default audio source, optimized for voice calls, optimized for recognition, and processed. So you are going to select external microphone, and that's it. So when you select it, you open the open camera. You just plug it. You plug in your earphones. And I'm going to be creating more videos on YouTube. How to create YouTube channel, and how to get more views on YouTube, how to get your 400 watch hours on YouTube, and so that you can start earning a bit of coins. So if you think that this video is very helpful, give a like, subscribe to be part of this awesome family, and don't forget to share to others too. Let me know in the comment section any type of video you would like me to create for you. Until I see you in the next episode, peace.